Hey there, fam! Welcome back to another episode where we dive deep into the world of personal finance. Let's get real for a sec. We all know that managing money can be a bit overwhelming, right? Credit cards can be either your best friend or your worst nightmare. It all depends on how you use them. But stick with me, and I'll show you how to wield these plastic beasts like a pro. Trust me, it's easier than you think. First off, credit cards aren't just about buying stuff you can't afford. They can actually be a powerful tool for managing your finances. They're actually a tool for financial freedom. When used correctly, they can help you build credit, earn rewards, and even save money. Think of them like a superpower, but only if you use them wisely. So here's the tea. You need to understand the rules of the game. The first rule of mastering credit cards: pay off your balance in full every month. This is non-negotiable. Pay off your balance in full every month. This way you avoid those pesky interest fees that can quickly add up. Yep, I know it sounds boring, but trust me, it's a game changer. It keeps you out of debt and helps you maintain a good credit score. No interest fees, no debt spiral, just pure, unadulterated freedom. Imagine the peace of mind that comes with knowing you owe nothing. Now let's talk about credit scores. This little number can have a big impact on your financial life. It's not just a number, it's your key to adulting like a boss. A good credit score opens doors to better financial opportunities. Good credit means better rates on loans, easier apartment rentals, and even job opportunities. It's like having a golden ticket in the financial world. So how do you build it? Use your credit card, but don't abuse it. Responsible usage is key. Use your credit card, but don't abuse it. Keep your spending in check and always be mindful of your limits. Keep your credit utilization below 30%. This means not maxing out your card and keeping a healthy balance. Translation: if your limit is $1,000, don't spend more than $300. This keeps your credit score in good shape. Alright, here's a fun fact. Did you know that some credit cards offer amazing rewards? Did you know that some credit cards give you cashback or travel points? These rewards can add up quickly. Yeah, that's free money and trips. Imagine getting paid to spend money you were going to spend anyway, but only if you pay off that balance every month. Otherwise, those rewards are just an illusion. Otherwise, the interest will eat up all those perks and then some. Okay, quick story time. Let me share a cautionary tale. I had a friend who maxed out her card buying concert tickets and cool sneakers. She thought it was no big deal. She thought it was no big deal until she got hit with those interest fees and her credit score plummeted. It was a harsh wake-up call. Now she's hustling to dig herself out of that hole. Don't be that person. Instead, be smart. Learn from others' mistakes. Set up payment reminders. Use apps to track your spending, and always read the fine print. These small steps can save you big headaches. Some cards have sneaky fees that'll catch you off guard. Knowledge is power, guys. The more you know, the better you can navigate the credit card landscape. If you've got any tips or crazy credit card stories, drop them in the comments. Sharing is caring, and we can all learn from each other. Let's help each other out. Building a community of financially savvy individuals is the goal. So now that you've got the lowdown, go out there and flex those financial muscles. Show the world you know how to handle your money. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share it with your crew. Spread the knowledge and empower others. And remember, you've got the power to control your financial destiny. Every decision you make brings you closer to financial freedom. Until next time, stay savvy. Peace out. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep winning in the game of finance.